Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can look at what your competitors are doing on Google Ads. This is data specifically from Google themselves. So I did a video a few weeks ago where I looked at the Facebook ad library and how you can actually spy on your competitors or do competitor research using the Facebook ad library, which is a resource that Facebook provide for you to see what other advertisers are doing within that platform in terms of advertising. Now, Google have their own version of this, so I'm just going to make a very short video and run through exactly how to use it. This is definitely something that I would consider doing for market research, for competitor analysis, and just to get an idea of what the competition are doing. So if you head over to adstransparency.google.com, it's going to take you to this page here. There's a few options. This is very similar to Facebook ad library. Essentially what you can do is you can select the date that you want to be looking at the campaigns for. I'm just going to say all time. You can set the location, so I'm just going to leave it as shown in the UK. And you can also filter by format, so like image, text, or video ads. You can look at different topics, so for example, political ads or just all topics. And then you can put in your competitors. So I'm going to use a brand, I'm just going to put Gymshark. Type Gymshark in, and you can see here it's suggested gymshark.com, which is the website. So I'm just going to click on that. And now it's going to start loading up some ads. So if I click see all, it's going to start loading up the Gymshark ads, okay? And I can have a look at them. So this is again how I can start to do some competitor research. So if I click on one of the ads, it's going to tell me a little bit more about it. So this is a text ad, and I can see here the specific one that they're running. If I go back and just go back to Gymshark again, I'll also be able to see some of the video ads that they're running. So I can look at this one, for example. This is a video ad. I can actually play the video ad. And again, just get an idea of what it is that they're doing and see how they are positioning their brand, okay? So this is really important, and it's something that's really valuable to do, to have a look at what your competitors are doing. It gives you a good idea. You can also see the scale. So for example, Gymshark are running a lot of ads on Google, and there's a lot of different variations here. So I can immediately see that they're investing heavily into this marketing channel. Now there are other tools to look at, things like SEMrush, which is a great tool as well. And there's others which will give you more in-depth and additional information in terms of ad campaigns that are running on Google. However, this is definitely something that I would use as a free tool, and it's going to be highly valuable. So I'm going to leave it at that as a very, very short video. If you're interested in working with me and my agency, I run a performance-based digital marketing agency where we focus on generating revenue for our customers. If you're interested in that, you can click the link in the description. You can book a call with me and have a discussion and see how we can help you grow and scale your brand. With that said, thanks again. Drop in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.